What does it mean to purify our karma? Buddha taught that our karma creates our world. The potentials on our own mental continuum for how things appear the way they do, the experiences that we have, who we are. And this is not fixed. This is something that we can change. We can reduce and eventually remove our suffering and negative experiences by learning how to purify our karma. This is one of the kindest things that Buddha taught. On this day course, we will look at exactly what that means and how we can, in a light, positive, joyful manner, work on purifying our karma, and some very practical, easy practical meditation techniques for accomplishing this. I hope that you can join.